Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best oxygen tubing ear protectors on the market. The NATAKU Nasal Cannula ear cushions. If you or a loved one uses oxygen therapy, you know how uncomfortable the tubing can get around your ears and face. This product aims to solve that problem by offering soft, comfortable protection that helps relieve ear pain and prevents cheek indentation discomfort. The NATAKU Nasal Cannula ear cushions come in a convenient pack of 12 pieces, which means you get 6 pairs to use and replace as needed. Each cushion measures approximately 3.5 by 1.5 inches, designed to fit all standard width oxygen tubing perfectly. Whether you're elderly or a child using oxygen therapy, these cushions are sized for comfort and ease of use. One of the standout features of these cushions is the fabric. They are made from a soft polar fleece material that feels gentle against the skin. This fabric not only prevents the painful indentation marks that oxygen tubing can cause on your face but also absorbs sweat, which adds an extra layer of comfort, especially during extended wear. The cushions protect both your ears and cheeks. Oxygen tubing can cause soreness and irritation when it rubs against the delicate skin behind your ears and along your cheeks. These cushions act as a barrier, reducing friction and pressure. This is particularly useful if you need to wear your oxygen cannula overnight or for long hours during the day. Putting them on is simple and quick. The cushions wrap around the oxygen tubing and secure with a hook and loop Velcro closure. The Velcro used here is baby grade, meaning it is ultra soft and skin-friendly to avoid any irritation or scratching. The design allows you to adjust the cushions to your preferred position easily, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit without slipping. Portability is another benefit of the NATAKU cushions. They are lightweight and compact, making them easy to carry whether you are traveling, going to work, or simply moving around your home. Having a pack on hand means you can switch them out regularly to keep them clean and fresh, enhancing your overall comfort. These cushions are washable and reusable, which makes them an economical choice for ongoing oxygen therapy. Instead of constantly buying disposable options or enduring discomfort, these cushions provide a durable and practical solution. In terms of construction, the cushions feature neat cuts and excellent seam lines, highlighting their quality. The materials chosen ensure that the cushions maintain their shape and softness even after repeated washing, offering long-term usability. Overall, the NATAKU Nasal Cannula ear cushions deliver a soft, breathable, and secure way to protect your ears and face from the common discomfort caused by oxygen tubing. Whether you need relief from ear pain, want to prevent cheek indentations, or are simply looking for a comfortable accessory to improve your oxygen therapy experience, these cushions are designed to meet those needs efficiently. If you want to improve your comfort during oxygen therapy, the NATAKU cushions offer an easy-to-use, high-quality, and effective option. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more product insights and reviews.